A pleasant morning, students. I hope everyone is staying safe in your home. Now, today start new topic, square numbers and square roots.
Looks like this radical symbol. And this is used to the square root, and we'll see other types of roots as well. But your question is, well, what does this thing actually mean? And now that we know a little bit about exponents, we'll see that the square root symbol or the root symbol or the radical is not so hard to understand. So let's start with an example. So we know that 3 to the second power is what? 3 squared is what? Well, that's the same thing as 3 times 3. That's going to be equal to 9. But what if we went the other way around? What if we started with a 9 and we said, well, what times itself is equal to 9? We already know that answer is 3. But how could we use a symbol that tells us that? So, well, as you can imagine, that symbol is going to be the radical here. So we could write the square root of 9. And when you look at this way, you say, okay, what squared is equal to 9? And you would say, well, this is going to be equal to 3. And I want you to really look at these two equations right over here, because this is the essence of the square root symbol. If you say the square root of 9, you're saying what times itself is equal to 9? And, well, that's going to be 3. And 3 squared is equal to 9. I can do that again. I can do that many times. I can write 4 squared is equal to 16. Well, what's the square root of 16 going to be? Well, it's going to be equal to 4. Let me do it again. And actually, let me start with the square root. What is the square root of 25 going to be? Well, this is the number that times itself is going to be equal to 25, or the number where if I were to square it, I get to 25. Well, what number is that? Well, that's going to be equal to 5. Why? Because we know that 5 squared is equal to 25. Now, I know that there's a nagging feeling that some of you might be having, because if I were to take negative 3 and square it, I would also get positive 9. And the same thing, if I were to take negative 4 and I were to square the whole thing, I would also get positive 16. Or negative 5, and if I were to square it, I would also get positive 25. So why couldn't this thing right over here, why can't this square root be positive 3 or negative 3? Well, depending on who you talk to, that's actually a reasonable thing to think about. But when you see a radical symbol like this, people usually call this the principal root. Principal square root. And another way to think about it, it's the positive. This is going to be the positive square root. If someone wants the negative square root of 9, they might say something like this. They might say the negative. Let me scroll up a little bit. They might say something like the negative square root of 9. Well, that's going to be equal to negative 3. And what's interesting about this is, well, if you square both sides of this equation, if you were to square both sides of this equation, what do you get? Well, anything negative squared becomes a positive. And then the square root of 9 squared, well, that's just going to be 9. And on the right-hand side, negative 3 squared, well, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So it all works out. 9 is equal to 9. And so this is an interesting thing. Actually, let me write this a little bit more algebraically now. If we were to write the principal root of 9 is equal to x. There's only one possible x here that satisfies it, because the standard convention, what most mathematicians have agreed to view this radical symbol as, is that this is the principal square root. This is the positive square root. So there's only one x here. There's only one x that would satisfy this, and that is x is equal to 3. Now, if I were to write x squared is equal to 9, now this is slightly different. X equals 3 definitely satisfies this. this could be x equals 3. But the other thing, the other x that satisfies this is could also be equal to negative 3, because negative 3 squared is also equal to 9. So these two things, these two statements are almost equivalent, although when you're looking at this one, there's two x's that satisfy this one, while there's only one x that satisfies this one, because this is the positive square root. If people wanted to write something equivalent where you would have two x's that could satisfy it, you might see something like this: plus or minus square root of 9 is equal to x, and now x could take on positive 3 or negative 3.
Last class, I informed what is the square numbers. An integers multiplied to itself gives a perfect square. Now today start square root. Squaring a number is another mathematical operations just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Most mathematical operations have inverse, meaning opposite operations. For example, subtraction is the inverse of addition, division is the inverse of multiplication, etc. The same manner, square numbers inverse of square root. Square root. Squaring also has an inverse operation, namely finding the square root. The square root of a number mentioned in n. N written square root of n or n power 1 by 2 is the number that gives n when multiplied by itself. What number? The same number. Itself means the same number multiply. N means n multiply n. For example, root of 81 equals square root of 81, 9 2 times. So 9 into 9, the answer is 9. Next topic, square root through prime factorization. Already we take LCM method the same manner. The number of times a prime factor occurs in the square of a number equal twice the number of times it occurs in the prime factorization of the number. So twice means two numbers, the same number itself. Square root of product and quotient of numbers. For any two positive numbers a and b, we have square root of ab equal separately square root of a multiplies square root of b, and second formula square root of a by b equal square root of a by square root of b, b not equal 0. This formula how to apply, after I will teach that sums and all you see. The next topic, long division method. So this method is very important of calculating square root numbers. Step 1, group the digits in pair starting with the digit in the unit place. Each pair and the remaining digit is called the period. Put a pair over every pair of digits starting from the right of the given number. If there are odd number of digits, the extreme left digit will be without a bar sign about it. So 5, 7, 6. 6 is the unit digit. So we calculate of right side two numbers. So 6 and 7. Remaining odd number means remaining one number only pending 5. The same manner even number means two numbers segregate. For segregating in right side only. Step 2. Think of the large number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. Take this number as a divisor and also as the quotient. The left extreme number here is 5. The large number whose square is less than or equal 5 is 2. This is our divisor and quotient. Here you see step 2, 5 is number or equal or small number. So 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. Here 5 only. So we take the value 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4, 5 by minus 4 minus remaining value 1. And step 3, the divisor value in next step changing means multiply 2. To find the new divisor, multiply the earlier quotient 2 and write leaving the blank space next to 2. So here see step 3, in divisor 2 multiply again 2, the answer next step new step going to 4. And next step, the new divisor is 4 followed a digit. We should choose the digit next to 4 to such the new quotient multiply by the new divisor will be less than or equal 176. So first we check, already last class we informed which number correct number coming. For 6 means what number, 4 4s are 16 or 6 6 are 36. This much only, two numbers only divide. So next step, clearly the required digit has be 4 or 6. We calculate 46 multiply 6. What number remain? Quotient number, the same number, right? So 46 multiply 6 equal 276. But here answer is 176 only. So 44 multiply 4. What number we multiply, right? The same manner, new introduce no new step, that right. So 44 multiply 4, 176. The answer is remainder value 0. So the square root of 576 equal 24. Now start example sum. Example 1.22. The area of a square is 3136 meter square. Find the perimeter. Again read the question. The area of a square field is 3136 meter square. Find the perimeter. So already we know what is the area of square, side into side, and perimeter of square 4 multiply side. Here one square flat, the value area value equal to 3136 meter square. So the area of the square field is 3136 meter square. The side, we calculate first side. So side means what? Area of the square, what is the formula? Side multiply side. So area of square equal side multiply side. So here what value? 3136. We know long division method. So what value coming? Separately. So long division method, 3136. I inform 2 number right side only segregate 1 2 again 31. In 31, which is lowest or equal square number? 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 6 square na 36, but here 31 only, so 5 5s are 25, remaining value 31 minus 25 6. I already informed, no, so 5, second step new step going, no, so multiply 2, so 5 2s are 10. In blank face new number introduce. In 6 means what? 1 4 or 6. So I introduce 36 means 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 ones are 6, so 0, remainder value 0. So side value 56 meter. So now the perimeter of the square field formula, 4 into side, 4 sides, add the value, so 4 multiply side equal 4 multiply 56 equal 224 meter. Next sum, example 1.23. A real estate owner had two flats, a square flat of side 39 meter and a rectangular flat of dimension 100 meter length and 64 meter breadth. He sell both of these flats and acquires a new square flat of the same area. What is the length of this side is new flat? So one rectangular flat, one square and one rectangular flat, in opposite one square flat only. This is the question. So first one 39 meter, second one 164 meter. So here what is the value checking? So next opposite, area of the square flat equal area of the square flat opposite side. So area of a square flat plus area of the rectangular flat. So area of the square flat, what is the formula? A multiply A plus area of the rectangular L into B, length into breadth. So A what? 39 multiply 39 plus L, what is this? 100 multiply 64. So 39 means 39 value 1521 plus 164 6400. So these two add the value 7921 meter square. Now we checking what is the length of the side only asking. So we taking long division method. 7921, 2 times right side 2 numbers segregate, so 79. 79 which one is equal or nearest square number? 64. So 8 8 are 64. 79 minus 64 15. Again 8 2s are 16 new step, so remaining 21. 1 means 1 or 9, so I put 9. So 9 multiply means 1521 equal, so 0, remainder value 0. So length of this side of a new square flat equal 89 meter. Next sum, example 1.24. Find the square root of 324 by prime factorization method. So first resolve the given number into prime factors, group the identical factors in parts and take one from them, the find the square root. So already what LCM method, the same method take 324 divides in two tables 162 times. Again 162 divided two tables 81 times. 81 not divided into, so 3 tables, 27 times. Again 27 3 times, 9 times, 9 3s are, again 9 3 times, so remaining the value 1. So 324 equal, how many 2's? 2 2's came and 4 times of 3's. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So is set of pair. So one pair equal the same number 2 times. So 2 power 2, 3 power 2 and again 3 power 2. Now so 2 into 3 power whole power 2. So now square root of 324 equal the value, square root means square number divide. So remaining number 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 324 equal root of 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 whole square. So root of square root of 324 equal 18. So 18 multiply 18 means the answer is 324. Next sum, example 1.25. Find the least number by which 250 is to multiply or divided so that the resulting number is a perfect square. Also find the square root of in a case. So 250 take LCM means that value 550 and 5 10 times, 5 3 times coming, 2 is 1 time coming. So 250 equal 5 multiply 2. So 5 set of pair 5 square 1 time, 5 1 time, 2 is equal 1 time. If we multiply 250 by 10 we get, how will 1 5 and 1 2 remaining, so 5 2s are 10. If we multiply 250 by 10 we get 2500. So 5 square 5 power 2 and 5 power 2 and 2 power 2, therefore the root of 2500 is 50. If we divide 250 by 10, the same answer is 25. We get the square root of 25 equal 5 into 5, so 5 square. So remaining answer 5. Next sum, example 1.26 is 108 a perfect square. So the same manner it take LCM values is 108 is a perfect square number. So prime factorization method to 108. So same manner divide means, so 2 times 2 coming, 3 times 3 coming. So 108 equal 2 times 2 multiply 2, 3 times 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So write the pair 2 power 2, again another pair 3 power 2, another pair 3 power 1. So here one missing 3 is one missing. So the prime factor 3 does not have a second pair, hence 108 is not a perfect square number. If it came extra one 3 means that one is perfect square. So now this 108 is not perfect square. So next example sum, example 1.27. Find the square root of 4,59,684 divide long division method. So I already informed, no first step in right side two numbers are segregate for square root numbers. So 4 and 8 one number, 96 one number, 45 one number. So we take long division method. So in 45, nearest number 36, 7 sevens are 49. So 6 6 are 36. 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, 7 square equal to 49. But here 45 only. So 6 6 are 36, 45 minus 36, remaining value 9. So divided second step moving means multiply 2. So 6 2 is 12. So 96 remaining value will taken, and so 6 coming means what number will come? 1 4 will 4 1 coming or remaining value. So I put 7. So 727 889, remaining value 107, remaining value 84, and 12 the same number, right? But 7 2 times multiply. So 7 2s are 14 4. Remaining one value 1 2 plus 1 3. So 1 3 4. Now 4 coming means 2 number, only 2 2s are 4, or 8 8 are 64. So this is big number, no, definitely coming 8 only. So I put 8. So 8 8 are 64 4. Again remaining value 4 8s are 32 and 6 38. So finally they multiply the answer 10784, remaining value 0. So root of 4,59,684 equal square root value 678. Next sum, example 1.28. Already I informed square root of product of quotient and numbers. So find the value of root of 256. 256 means 16 16s are 256. So root of square root of AB equal root of A multiply root of B. So square root of 256 equal square root of 16 multiply square root of 16. 16 square root means answer 4 4s are. So 4 multiply 4. So 4 4s are 16. So the answer is square root number is 16. Next sum, example 1.29. Find the value of square root of 42.25. Here decimal number coming. One decimal 1 point coming means 110 divide. 2 decimal coming means 100 divide. 3 decimal coming means 1000 divide. 4 decimal coming means 10,000 divide. So here 0.25 equal to 20 by 100. This and all you know. So now 4 to 2 and 5 by root of 100. So 4225 take separately write. So square root of 4225 by root of square root of 100. So 4225 take LCM long division method, segregate the two numbers. So 42, so 6 times only, 6 6 are 36 by remaining value 6, that remaining 25 value 6 again multiply 12. So 5 definitely 5 table only. So 5 in 5. So 5 into 125, 625. So answer equal 65. So equal 65 by root of 100 equal to 10, easiest value. So 65 by 10 equal 10 means 1 point only decimal, or otherwise divide 65 10. 1 6 times are 6 5 16 are 60, remaining value 5. 10 means in decimal point put in right side 1 only, one number before one number. So answer is 6.5. And next sum, example 1.30, simplify square root of 12 multiply square root of 3. Second one, square root of 98 by square root of 162. So here directly multiply. So square, first sum, square root of 12 multiply square root of 3. So formula, square root of AB equals square root of A multiply square root of B. So here AB value only. So opposite LHS equal to right hand side. So square root of 12 multiply square root of 3 equals square root of 12 multiply 3. 12 3s are 36. So 36 taking square root number means 6 only. 6 6 are 36. And next option, square root of 98 by 162 equal. So this one is 2 table multiply. So 2 into 49 by 2 into 81. Again 2 common number means cancellation. So write square root of 49 by square root of 81. So what? 7 7s are 49, 9 9s are 81. So the answer, two numbers we take 7 by 9. And finally last example sum, example 1.31, simplify square root of mixed fraction numbers 2 7 by 9. Second option, square root of 1 9 by 16. So we teach first square root of the same manner. 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 27. Root of 25 by 9 equal square root of 25 9 how many times? 5 times. 5 5s are and 9 3 3s are. Take two numbers, take one number, 5 by 3. So answer is 5 by 3. That one change the improper fraction, change to mixed fraction. 1 2 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. And second one, square root of 1 9 by 16 equal the same mixed fraction, change it to improper fraction. Square root of 25 by 16. 25 the same manner, 5 multiply 5, 16 4 multiply 4. So answer 5 by 4. This one also change the improper fraction to mixed fraction. 1 1 by 4. How? Divides, common divide. So 4 table, 1 4s are 4, remaining the value is 1. So example sums and all over. Now we go to exercise 1.4. First one, filling the blanks. The one digit in the square number of 77 is unit place we multiply means 7 7s are 49. So the remain value 9. The number of non-square numbers between 24 square and 25 square is 24 24 multiply and 25 25 multiply. In between 48 numbers, non-square numbers. The number of perfect square numbers between 300 and 500. In between 5 square numbers coming. If a number has 5 or 6 digit in, then the square root will have 3 digit number only coming. The value of square root of 180 lies between integers 13 square and 14 square. In between only 180 coming. Say true or false. First one, when a square number end in 6, its square root will have 6 in the unit place. Yes, 6 6 are 36. So answer is true. A square number will not have odd number of zeros at the end. Yes, answer is true. The number of zeros in square 91000 is 9. So 30 only coming, not will come 90. So answer is wrong. The square of 75 is 4925. So you multiply 75 multiply 75, the answer is wrongly coming. Fifth one, the square root of 225 is 15. Yes, 15 15s are 225. So the answer is true. Next, exercise 1.4, third Roman, very easily, because find the square of the following numbers. Asking, simply find the square of the following numbers. So first one, asking square root numbers. First one, 17. So 17 square, how to write? 17 power 2 equal 17 multiply 17 equal 289. So answer is 289. Second one, the same manner, 203. So 203 square equal 203 multiply 203, very easily multiply. The answer 41,209. So if you doubt means you multiply 203 multiply 203. This is the 203 square number of 41,209. Third one, 1098. The square number, 12,05,604. This is the square number. Next Roman, fourth sum. Examine if each of the following is a perfect square. So already I informed no properties which one is perfect square. If the square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 only. So first one here, 725. You take prime factorization method. 725 how many times coming? 5 5s are, and 145 into 5 times 725, again 5 times 29 times. 29 will not coming in a table or no multiplication. This is odd number. So 725 equal 5 multiply 5 multiply 29. So 5 square into 29 power 1. So 29 power 2 came means this perfect square, but 1 only came means it is not a perfect square. And second option, 190. So 190 the same manner divide to 95 times, and 5 again 19 times. So 190 equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 9. Every number single number only coming, not pair. So it is not a perfect square. Third one, 841. So 841 means only one number, no division coming. So 29 multiply 29. So 844, 29 into 29 equal to 29 square. So this is perfect square. Fourth one, 1089. So this one also the same prime factorization method, 363 times, again 121. 121 11s are. So 1089 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 11 multiply 11 equal pair 3 square and 11 square. So this is perfect square. Next, fifth Roman, find the square root of by prime factorization method. So here what the same before example sum and all teach no the same method. 144 take how many times? 72 times. Again two table cancellation 36 times. Again cancellation 80 times. Again divide 9 times. Again 3 times. So 3 3s are 1. So 2 is coming 4 times. 3 is coming 2 times. So 144 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and 3 multiply 3. So we write pair 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 3 power square. So we write common factor 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 whole power 2. So square root of 144 equal square root of 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 power 2. If you square root taking means the 2 is cancellation, so directly you multiply. So root of 144 equal 12. So 12 12s are 144. Next sum 256. The same manner 256 take LCM method. 128 divided 64 times. Again 32 times. 2 table commonly. Again 16 times. Again 8 times. Again 4 times. Again 2 times. Again 1 times. So here 8 times coming 2. So 256 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 8 times coming. So right of pair 1 2 3 4 pairs. So 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2. So the answer is whole power 2. So square root of 256 equal 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Answer is 16. Next third sum 784. So 784 divide 2 times 392, again 2 times 196, again 2 times 98, again 2 times 49. 49 very easy, 7 7s are 49. So here coming 4 2s and 2 7s. So 784 1 2 3 4 4 times 7 is 2 times. So 7 multiplies 7. Write pair of 2 power 2 2 power 2 multiply 7 power 2. So square root of 784 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. Answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Fourth one 1156. So take prime factorization method. So 578 times, again 289, 289 easily 17 times. So square root of 1156 equal to 2 pair 2 into 17. So answer is 34. Fourth one 4761. The same manner take prime factorization method. 3 table 1587 and 529. This one is multiply 23 23s are 529. So the square root of 4761 equal 3 multiply 23 equal 69. Next, sixth Roman, find the square root of long division method. So long division method I already teach. Right side you take 2 numbers and you divide square root numbers only. So 1764, take long division method. So 1064, two numbers take. So in 17 how many times? 4 4 only. 5 5s are 25. So 4 4s are 16. Remaining 1, the remaining value is 64. Again second step, 4 multiply 2, 4 2s are 8. 4 coming means 1 2 or 8. Here small number only, no, I take 2 2 2s are. So what number that put? The same number 2. So 282s are 164. So remainder value is 0. So square root of 1764 equal, the answer is 42. Second sum, 6889. The same, segregate two numbers. In 68, 8 times only, 8 8 are 64. Remaining value 4. 8 multiply 2 times 16, blank value. So in 489 coming is definitely 3 or 7. So I put 3. 3 3 sir. So 3 multiply 163, 489. Remaining value is 0. So square root of 6889 equal, answer is square number 83. Third one, 11,025. The same before what? The same manner. Here you see two numbers, remaining one number. This is odd number. So 1 is very small number, 1 ones are 25, 1 ones are 1. Remaining values, the next value 1 0. Here 1 2. If any number multiply means this is small number. So we put 0. Again take 25. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 25s are 105s are 1225. So answer is 105. Fourth one, 17,956. Take the same long division method. 2 1 ones are 1. 79, 1 equal to 2 times multiply. 3 times 3, 9 coming is 3. So 323s are 69 only coming. Remaining value 10. So here 2, same manner. 3 2 times multiply, new number introducing, no. So 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So here 6 only coming is small number. So I put first 4. So 4 into 264, the answer is 1056. So answer is 0. So the square root number equal 134. Fifth one, 4,18,609. See students, how I work out, I segregate. So first 41 6 6 are 5, 586, 6 multiply 2 times 12. 6 coming means definitely 4 or 6. So I put 4. Answer is 496. Remaining value 90. Again remaining number 0 9 12. 4 2s are 8. 9 coming means definitely 7 table or 3 table. This is big number only. So 7 I multiply. 7 multiply means 9009. So the square root number is 647. Next, 7th Roman, estimate the value of the following square root, the nearest whole number. Which one is nearest whole number we find? So first one, square root of 440. Take long division method. 2 times multiply, 2 2s are 4. So 40, again 4. 1 times multiply also, 41 coming. Extra one number add. So 20 square we take means 20 is equal to 400. 21 square equal to 21 multiply 21 equal to 441. So 440 and 441 remaining one number only nearest. 400 we calculate means 40 numbers back. So nearest whole number equal 21. Second sum, square root of 800. The same manner we take the value, long division method. Remaining value 16 coming. So 28 square equal to 784 plus 16 adding means 800. The same 29 square means 841. 41 numbers extra. So nearest whole number equal 28. 28 square. Third one, square root of 1020. The same manner take long division method. 3 3s are 9, remaining 1 2 0, again 3 2s are 6, 2 times multiply means 124. So 31 square equal 961, 32 square means 1024. Here 4 number only nearest number for 32 square. So nearest whole number 32. Next sum, find the square root of the following decimal numbers and fractions. So before example sum 1.29 teach no the same sum 2.89, two decimal numbers coming, so I write 100. So square root of 289 by 100 equal 289 means 17 multiply 17. So I take square root of 17 by 10. 1 0 coming means I put 1 decimal. So the answer is 1.7. Second sum 67.24. Here also the same, 2 decimal means 100. 6 or square root of 6724 by 100 equal, we take long division method, answer is coming 82 times. So 82 by 10 equal 8.2. Third one 2.0164, decimal numbers coming means 4 zeros add, so divided for 10,000. So square root of 20164 by 10,000 equals, take long division method. So 142 times. So 142 multiply 142, I will put 142 by 100, 2 zeros only coming. So I put 2 decimal point in right side 2 and 4, 1.42. Fourth one very easy, 144 by 225. 144 how many times? 12 12s are 225, 15 15 times are. We take only one number pair is, so 12 by 15. Next fifth one 7 18 by 49. This is for mixed fraction. We change it to improper fraction. So 7 into 49 add in 18. The answer is 361 by 49. 361 how many times? 19 multiply 19 by 49, 7 multiply 7. So we take pair of numbers 19 by 7. This is improper fraction. Change it to mixed fraction. If we divide means 2 times. So 2 5 by 7. Next, ninth one. This is theory question. Find the least number that must be subtract to 6666 so that it becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square that's obtained. So in 6666 subtract some numbers, some least number coming for perfect square number. So first we take long division method in 6666. So it segregate 2 numbers, 8 8 are 64, remaining value 2, again 66 coming. 8 next step going means 2 times multiply, 8 2s are 16. So again what 6 coming means what number will come? 2 times multiply means in extra numbers 3 more than 300 coming. So I put 1 only, 161s are 161, remaining value 105. So 81 multiply 81 equals 6561. This is perfect square. In next perfect square coming means 82 multiply 82 equal 6724. In extra numbers, more than 100 numbers. So here 81 multiply 81 is a perfect square. So perfect square number equal to 81. The remainder value equal 105. 10th sum. The same method. Find the least number which 1,800 be multiplied, so become a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. This obtain. So which number multiply panna perfect square number coming. So 1800 I take prime factorization method. So 2 times 900, again 2 times divide 450, again 2 times 225, again this one is 3 only divide 3 table. So 75 times, again 25 times, 25 means 5 5s are. So I write only 2 1 2 3 2 is coming. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, 5 multiply 5. So 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 1 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 5 power 2. Here everyone coming power 2, but in 2 1 2 only, not per only coming single number. So in extra we multiply 1 2 add means coming perfect square number. So we should multiply it by 2 both side. So 1800 multiply 2 equal 2 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 5 power 2. So 1800 to 3600. So square root of 3600. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So perfect square number is 60. 60 multiply 60, 3600. The multiply value equal 2. Students, today class is over. At the same manner, exercise 1 point also over. Your homework, work out all the examples and exercise 1.4 sums. Next week exercise 1.4 home test. Thank you, students.